Matching colors between photograph products and digital renders is a common client headache. Let's fix it. Start by sampling 3 color points from the real product: shadow, midtone, highlight. Apply these values to a gradient map on your render. This instantly aligns tonal behavior. Next, use match color, but restrict it with a luminosity mask so only relevant areas adjust. Follow a selective color to fine-tune specific materials like plastics or metals. For reflections, copy a section of the photo environment and softly blend it into the render using soft light. This gives both assets the same visual fingerprint. Finish with a shared grain layer across everything. That tiny bit of texture unifies photo and 3D.